You may easily earn a lot of money in the blink of an eye, ranging from $1 to a whopping $25 for every single click that you make. You can make all of your dreams come true and even multiply that amount as many times as you can imagine with your trusted device, your phone, a laptop, and your internet connection. It's also perfect for beginners because you can make an insane amount of money even without prior experience or specific technical skills. You also don't need to purchase anything, making this technique completely free. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate money online in just a few simple steps. Make sure you stick with me until the end of the video and don't skip any steps since I'll go over each one thoroughly. If you're concerned that this is too good to be true, I'll show you real-life examples on how to continue. You don't have to be concerned because I'll be there for you every step of the way. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first, I want you to visit the website called moreniche.com. Just a little background, Moreniche is a #1 health affiliate network with over millions of dollars given out to hundreds and thousands of people across the globe since 2002. Speaking about across the globe, this method is widely accessible to anyone, anytime, at any place. So that means that no matter where you are in the world, you get to earn money easily and effectively. Anyway, on their homepage, I want you to click on this one right here that says Brands, and you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this web page, you can discover the brands that you can promote regarding health and wellness. As you can see right here, these brands are high-paying, high-converting, and high-quality. Therefore, services are solidified, making your odds greater in joining the affiliate program. Now, I want you to scroll down the web page and you can discover these various brands right here. With big and popular brands like Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Juiced Up, and many more to find in this page, you're gonna promote them to your friends, family, colleagues, and literally everyone you know. Once you do that, you're gonna get paid an insane amount of money from commissions. And for the cherry on top, this method is totally free and no investments are needed. You just have a pure profit, that's all, and you didn't even need to do something very difficult to accomplish it. Now among these brands right here, I want you to focus on the one that you can see as you scroll down to the bottom of the page. This one right here is called Zotrim. This will be the one that's gonna pay you lots of money. So right now, I want you to simply click on the Zotrim and you'll be taken to this page right here, which is basically Zotrim's website already. Now, as you can see right here on their homepage, you're greeted with these words right here that say you can earn a massive 40% per sale as commission income. That's actually really huge. So by this point, you must be growing interested as to how you can exactly attain this. So first, you can join the affiliate program for free, like I said before. You can start from here. The next thing that you will be doing is to market these several products that Zotrim offer, as you can find right here on their official website. Now, before anything else, let us dive in first as to what Zotrim is and what types of products they offer. Right here on their webpage, it says that Zotrim is a clinically proven appetite suppressant which helps users lose weight by controlling hunger and cravings. Since it is clinically proven, it even outperforms prescription drugs and trials, which means that Zotrim users are able to lose weight in a much faster way. When you scroll down to the bottom, you can see these 3 packages right here that they offer. First, they have a 30-day supply worth $49, then this 2-month supply and 1-month freebie for $100, and lastly, a 3-month supply with 2-month extra supply for free, costing $149. Now, let me clear everything up before you proceed. You're not gonna purchase any services or product right here or anywhere throughout the video, because I just want to help you make more money online. Instead of purchasing, what you're gonna be doing is marketing and promoting these 3 packages and convincing other people to purchase them. Zotrim is a really fascinating brand that is very easy to market, thanks to its highly effective products as stated on their website, as well as a rapid and free shipping feature. Free shipping is a huge motivator for consumers to buy their products since it only means one thing: you can promote these products to everyone you know, regardless of where they live. You can also navigate through the webpage right here to find out everything you want to know about the brand overview, advertising resources, brand languages, sales tracking and reporting, promotional terms, and payment methods and schedules. And in perfect timing, I'll tell you everything about the payment scheme. They'll pay out every 1st and 15th of the month, and they'll accept a variety of payment methods in a variety of currencies, emphasizing their accessibility and convenience. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So right now, I'll show you how to get started with the affiliate program by clicking on this orange button right here that says Join More Niche to market Zotrim. After clicking that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll fill out all of the relevant information to establish an account. They'll ask you what partner type you want to create an account for first, and I want you to choose affiliate. After that, it's quite self-explanatory because all you have to do is fill out your first name, last name, email address, and password. Then, simply agree to the terms and conditions as well as the network policies by clicking on these boxes and you're done. Once you've created your Zotrim account, go to findaforum.net, which is the most comprehensive online database for public forums. Now go to the categories area and you'll notice these different categories with matching forms, which you'll need because you're gonna market Zotrim, which is a wellness product. Next, I want you to click on dieting and weight loss. Now you're gonna build some connections and networks by joining these public forums related to weight loss and dieting. Since these forums comprise of people from all around the world, there are hundreds and thousands of users who partake in these forums right here. So you would want to join as many forums as you can in order to expand your coverage and reach more people in the platform. Now I want you to pay very close attention because this is where you'll apply some actual steps for you to make money. So, like I said before, you're gonna join as many forums as you can in order to make more connections. Now, I want you to register for an account for free by simply clicking on a forum. For example, this one, and you can sign up for an account. Just create a username and fill out on the field provided. Then you're gonna craft your password, and now you have your account for this forum right here. You can repeat this as many times as you want because you're gonna be joining as many forums as you can. Now you have your account and you have your affiliate link. All that's left to do is make money. Simply visit a forum and you're gonna write a few sentences which contains a few tips as to how people can lose weight easily, and on your tip, you're gonna redirect them to Zotrim so that they will view their products and hopefully purchase some packages, and that's all you gotta do. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.